Hi, today I want to show you how to replace elastics in an Apple Cheeks diaper. Right here I have a size 1, and we are going to do this without taking out the original elastic. I'm going to just replace the back for you, but the rest of the diaper is the same procedure. Apple Cheeks diapers have a serged edge, and they also have the elastic sewn all the way across this line. Here is the elastic being sewn in. This one's quite relaxed. They're also tacked down here, so we're just going to remove the stitches in both these sides, here and here. Okay, I've got the last stitch out. We're going to put the elastic into this space here. I'm using a 1/4 inch elastic at 4.5 inches. You could probably get away with 4, but I give myself lots of room on each side. I'm going to open the diaper up to the inside, and you can access the elastic. You can see this one, the original, sewn all the way down. We're not going to take that out. And I'm going to use my bodkin to run the elastic all the way through into this space here. It might be a little tricky. Just work with it as you go through. Okay, now I have my elastic all the way through on both ends. I'm going to turn the diaper back. Try not to let this tail go under. And pin it from the outside. So I want to grab the elastic. And I can feel it here. Make sure it's not twisted. Leave it nice and flat. I can feel the end of it way over here, which is fine. That's why I give it so much space. I'm going to pin it in place. Go to the other side. Do the same thing. Just make sure you don't lose your tail. I'm going to feel this, make sure it's not twisted in there. There we go. And you can hand stitch this in from the inside, stitching it into the original elastic to lock it in place. I'm going to use my sewing machine. So I'm actually going to take my pin out as I get it in place. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer for you. Put my needle down and then remove my pin if I can. Might help if I put the pin in on the other side. Okay, and then we're just going to go forward and back. I have my stitch length about halfway what my machine can do. So mine goes from probably like 1.6 millimeters to 5, and I've got it on a 2.5. So it's just locked into place. Go to the other side. Do the same thing. I'm trying to stitch right on top of where the original stitching was. That way we're not putting a lot of extra holes in the diaper. Okay, and there you go. Nice refreshed elastics. For the size 1 Apple Cheeks, I have determined the back and the legs at 4.5 and the front elastic to be about a 2.5. So I hope this helps.